Are you looking for a good income, or tired by working hard with low income even after having good knowledge? Then this video is especially for you. Hello friends. Today I'll tell you 3 different ways to earn good income through online platforms. So don't waste the time, let's start. Number 1, online writing. If you are in a hurry and want to earn money from today, then you must start writing online. Hey, I'm not talking about blogging. I'm talking about writing articles. Blogging usually takes a long time to earn good income, but by this method you can earn money in a short period. All you need is good writing skill in English. The main part is, you don't need to invest money. There is a huge demand for articles on the internet today and increasing day by day. Many website owners are looking for unique articles for their websites, and we all know each website contains lots of web pages. Well, these website owners post their requirements at online platforms. One from these online platforms is iWriter. You can earn money by writing content for them. Now let's talk about income figure. As well I know, you can earn approximately 12,000 to 20,000 Indian rupees or 180 to 300 US dollars per month easily by writing articles for your clients. You don't need to worry about the topics. Just do some research on Google and start writing now. Hey, don't forget to like our video if you're done. If you want to know more about this topic and how to start writing articles on iWriter, a link will be provided soon in description. Don't forget to ask us by commenting on this video. Remaining 2 methods for earning good income will be posted soon. Thank you. Subscribe.